Hi everyone, welcome to solscooking. We're going to make pizza rolls, and the ingredients are first, we are going to activate the yeast, half cup of warm water, and the sugar to dissolve the sugar, and we're going to add 1 pack of active dry yeast and stir it again. And to activate the yeast, let this sit on the side for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, our yeast mixture is ready. This is how it looks. It's beautiful. We're just going to incorporate this with the flour. Add in the salt and just beat the egg slightly like this before adding it to the flour. And another half a cup of warm water. Just add it slowly or gradually, maybe half for now, and mix it like this. And lastly is the oil. And I'm going to use again my electric stand mixer. As usual, if you have no machine like this, feel free to use your hand and knead it for 5 to 7 minutes. And after kneading the dough, you're just going to transfer into an oiled bowl. Make a bowl like this. And let it rise for an hour or until the size doubled. Okay. Now we're going to make the pizza sauce. Add in all together the ingredients: garlic, salt, chili powder, black pepper, and your oil. Just give a good stir. Now set it aside, and we're going to roll out our dough. And after an hour, this is our dough. Oil your working surface, or you can always sprinkle flour. Your dough like this. We're going to make a rectangular shape. Now you're going to spread your sauce. And after spreading out your dough, you can also spread your sauce on top of the dough and the rest of your toppings: mushrooms, peas and carrots. And I decided to try the pineapple. So I'm going to add that too to my ingredients for toppings, and on top of that is the cheese. And after the pineapple, you can add your cheese on top of your veggies. Okay, just roll the edge to the middle slowly until you form a log. And after making a log, you just cut them into pieces like this, like a cinnamon roll. That's why they call it pizza roll. And we're going to rice this again for another 30 minutes before baking it. And after its second rise, we're just going to brush with egg. And after brushing the rolls with an egg yolk, we're just going to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes of baking, guys, here is our pizza rolls. They became huge. Now let's try a piece. This must be very hot, so I have to be careful. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions and suggestions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I appreciate if you like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.